Hey you guys, I just wanted to create a little bit of a video to have some of the things and features of Canva for you in case you had questions while you work on your infographic. So, just a couple of quick reminders. You can change your background just simply by clicking on it and then selecting a new color or image. So, if I wanted to delete my image, I would just go up to that trash can that I just did. So I have my background selected right now. That's why this is green. But I don't want the image anymore, so I just want to delete it. And now I just have the color. And then you can change the color again by going up to this color palette and then selecting my new color. So that's kind of how you mess with the background a little bit. These blocks right here of color, these can move. So like that, I'm just clicking and dragging on it. If you happen to delete one or you want another one, you can find it in the elements part. And then you scroll down where it says shapes, and you'll just click on a shape, and you can insert a shape into your infographic as well, just like that. If you see one that you like, if you don't see one that you want on there, if you click all, it'll show you more options that you can put into your infographic as well. As far as text goes, if I wanted to change this title, I just select all of the text, and I want to change the text style, so I'm gonna click here where it says League Spartan, and I'm going to choose ABZ as my new text, and it will change my text for me, just like it would in a Google Docs or a Word document, anything like that. Another pretty cool thing about Canva is you can change the color of icons. So for the fire, let's say I want to make it blue and red instead of yellow and orange, I can change it just like that. You just click on the image, and for this image, it has two different colors. So if I click on this one, it'll change the color that was blue. And if I click on the red, it's going to change that color that was red to something else like that. Okay. If I wanted to add a new text, maybe some words like in this part right here, I will just go text, and you can choose, it's easiest to choose one of these three. So a heading would be something that's big, like this title. A subheading would be something like my name here, Rihanna Fitzgerald. That's a subheading size. And then a little bit of body text is just really small text. You can move it around. So I'm just going to write my name maybe into it. And then click outside of it, and there it is. And then you can move and drag it just like that. So that's pretty simple. If you were to do something that you didn't like and you wanted to change it or undo it, you can press this undo little back arrow up there, or you can press Control Z and it will undo it as well. If you wanted to delete something, like I don't want this taco to be here, you can either press delete on your keyboard or come up to this trash can right there and delete that. As far as everything else goes, these photos and graphics, it doesn't matter to me if you use photos or graphics, but just try to be consistent and relevant in your infographic. When I say consistent, I mean like if you have a bunch of actual photos, I would try to keep it with actual photos. And then if you have a bunch of icons, kind of like what I do, these graphics here, I would kind of stick with that pattern as well. But overall, I think that kind of got us started and is a little bit of a refresher for those skills that you guys learned yesterday about Canva.